before you get to your destination. Kelly.
Well, of course, winter is a great time for sledding, skiing, and hot cocoa. But believe it or not, it's also the perfect time to paint your house. Yeah, get some chores done around the house. We've got a guest joining us right now to talk more about, the best times, the best kind of paint to choose.
Yeah, Matt Kunz, president of 5 Star Painting, joins us live via Skype from Waco, Texas to explain why. Thank you so much for taking the time to join us early this morning. So talk to us about why wintertime is the best time to paint the inside of your house.
Yeah, well, thank you for having us. And, with 5 Star Painting, we're a residential and commercial repaint company, and we're part of a neighborly organization that's means we're a network of over 3,500 service professionals, and we like to help our consumers, especially in the off months. Winter is actually a great time to paint the inside of your house. There's a couple myths around there that you think the odor from painting would be a cause of a lot of disturbance. You have to open up the windows in the winter. With low VOC paints today, that's actually not the case. You can just the normal ventilation in your home through an HVAC system will take care of that for you. So you don't need to open the windows. You can get the painting done on the inside.
Matt, is outdoor painting okay this time of year too?
I wouldn't recommend that, especially with the forecast that you guys were just talking about up north.
So, getting up on a ladder with the paintbrush in your hand, it'll be stuck to your hand. All right, so what is the best type of paint to use, Matt?
Well, there's all kinds of low VOC paints through Sherwin-Williams, through Behr for inside, and it really depends on the look and feel that you're trying to accomplish, and that's when you might want to call in a professional to get the right sheen, get the right color match for what you're trying to accomplish. But a lot of times in the winter, folks are stuck in their house and they're staring at the walls or they're trying to come up with new ideas. It's a great time to bring in a professional to help them revitalize their rooms, and then they're still going to have some time to live in those houses or be stuck inside for a while and enjoy that nice new color.
Oh, fun times. I mean, it does make you kind of excited about getting a fresh new paint on the walls. But talk to us about the different advantages of drying times in winter versus other seasons. You're making winter sound extra special.
Sure. Sure. Well, the ideal temperature for paint to be applied is between 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. So most folks keep their homes around that 70-degree mark, and that's an ideal right in the middle of the temperature window to be applying the paint. Also in the winter, there's less humidity in the air, which allows the paint to dry more evenly and a little bit quicker. So when you don't have the odor and it dries faster, you can get back to normal life sooner. There's also one big advantage is that painters are usually more available in the winter. They have a finite window when they can paint exteriors, so they like to get inside during the winter just like we do.
Better selection of the experts. Leave it to the experts. That's what I like to say. All right, Matt Kunz, president of 5 Star Painting. Thank you so much for sharing your expertise with us today.
Well, Winter Storm Jane